Hi, my name is Dave Young. I'm one of the directors of this large group, but I'm here at the International Law Enforcement Educators and Trainers Association Conference here in Illinois. I believe we're in Lombard Town Center. I'm standing inside the Crown Gym Mat's safety simulation room. We call it safety because everything in here is safe. Everything's made out of safe foam, closed cell foam, so you can sanitize, disinfect, you can clean it. You can get as crazy and innovative with this as possible. So if you look behind me, they have it set up like a cell for a 4-cell move. However, you can change the bed and flip it into a hospital scene. You can add a gurney. You could add a different kind of sink. You can add an IV stand. You can turn this into putting desks, tables, and chairs and lights. Make it into an interview room. You can make it into a visitor center. You can just put safe benches in here. But when we keep saying it's safe, it's because the whole thing is padded. And it's padded because if we take our other props, we can practice taking things to the ground, we can practice stabilizing, and if we make those mistakes, sometimes the mistakes we make in training last us years on the job because of injuries. And again, when we say safety simulation, we can turn around and close this off and make it into a room. We can change the dimensions and diameters. We can also put a safety net over the top so we can limit light, make it low light training conditions. This right here has a sample of a sink that can come off, and all the parts can be used to present dangers such as shanks and homemade weapons. We can put water in here so we can have a realistic environment to simulate people using paper towels and creating the overflow of water. We have a door that opens. You can also make it so the door can slide as well. You have a visual indicator in here. You can get rid of the bars, and you can put the picture of a male or a female so you can practice crisis negotiations out of the door. When you think of safety, we do want you to think of Crown Gym Mats, because when we say a safety simulation room, your training is limited to your own imagination, so don't let that imagination stop by looking at a catalog. Take this back and make it into your training facility, because your guys need to know where they're going to ask to be performing.